Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. My beloved students of 6th class. How are you? Are you okay? Are you safe in your home? Okay. Have you taken your breakfast? Okay. Be good. In previous class, we discussed about the main important two systems. There are two numeration systems. One is Indian numeration system. Second is international numeration system. Today, we are going to discuss about second system, international numeration system. Okay. International numeration system. In both system, we discussed and we understood that first we split up into groups which are called periods. Okay. We studied the periods in Indian system. Here we are going to split up the digits into groups which are called periods. In numeration system, mainly according to the international system numeration, each period has 3 places. There are mainly 4 periods and each period has 3 places. Okay. In Indian system, we studied that there are 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. In ones period, there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands place, there are thousands periods, there are 2 places. Which are they? Thousands, 10,000s. In crore period, there are 2 places. Which are they? Crore, 10 crore. Okay. Here, each period includes how many places? 3 places. Which are the periods in international system? Periods are here. Periods in international system: ones, thousands, and millions, billions. It is very, very important because today our world has become as a globe. The wide world, this wide world has become like a globe. From sitting our home, we can watch our school. We can find out information and everything. We can purchase goods and services using internet and our mobile or laptop. This is the condition of the world. So we have to understand both system. Don't you think I am an Indian, I only study the Indian system because I use the Indian system? No, we have to use this international system also. So you have to study this numeration system well. Are you ready? Okay. Let us start. There are mainly 4 periods. Ones. How many places are there? I have said how many places are there? Both in Indian system and international system, there are 3 places. Which are they? 1, 10, 100. Okay? These are the 3 places including in one's place. Okay? Then thousands, how many places are there in thousands? We studied in Indian system, there are 2 places. There are 2 places. Which are they? Thousands, 10,000s. Then, but in our international numeration system, there are 3 places in thousands. Which are they? 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 places are there in thousands group. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Then millions, there are another group, million, there are another group in international system, millions. We have no any such group in our Indian system, but international system, there are a new group, period millions. It includes 1 million, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay? 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. These are the 3 places. Then billions. Then billions. Here 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay? This is the very important one to study in our international numeration system. Okay? These are the periods. Once it has 3 places, 1, 10, 100. Then second period, thousands. It has 3 places, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Then next period, millions. It has 3 places, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billions. It has 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. This is the system of international. Okay? It is why each and every period has 3 places. It is why we used commas. We used commas after 3 from right to left. From right to left. I can give an example. Yes. How we can give it a comma? Yes. First we take these 3 numbers, 3 digits because this is in the ones group. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Then we give comma. After that, next period, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Then we give here. After that, millions, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then there is no another digit. So this is the comma system in international numeration system. Okay? In international numeration system, after 3 digits we give comma. In Indian system, how we can? In Indian system, first after 3 digits we use comma. Then we give a comma here. After that, after 2 digits, because the thousands place, there are only 2 places in Indian system, thousands and 10,000s. So we give one comma here, then here, here, here. Okay, after 2 digits. Did you understand? If we give the comma according to the Indian numeration system, we give like this. You have studied it well. Am I correct or not? Okay? Yes. Please listen here. Take your textbook, page number 4. Then there are a table, international numeration system. 3 headings, period, number, place value. You have to write down in your notebook. Watching this video, then you will understand what it says you. Okay? Then after that, you can read one period once, number 1, 10, 100, thousands, and there are place values, three place values, thousands, second period, there are 3 place values, then millions, there are 3 place values, then billions, there are 3 place values. Okay? Yes, this is the system of international. After that, you can read here, according to the modern convention of writing numerals, a space is left after every 3 digits. A space is left after every 3 digits starting from the right side, or comma is used to separate the periods. Comma is, there are 2 types. One is giving space. I can give an example. Yes, this is a number. We can use in international system to express the periods or to inform the periods. As you read, according to the modern conventions of writing numerals, a space is left. Space means some place. Space. Space is left every 3 digits. Every 3 digits. This is 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Okay? Yes. Starting from the right side. From the side, or comma is used. Then one method is space, left, leaving space. Likewise, I can write here leaving spaces. Okay? Yes, this is a method. We leave here some space, here space, here space, because 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Okay? Another method, giving comma, like this. Then starting from right side. Okay? Every 3 digits, after every 3 digits. This is the second method of expressing number in international system. Okay? You have to find out the answer for the question. Here, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Question number 2. You have to do, repeat question 1 according to the international system of numeration. It means The question number 1. Write the number names of the following and insert commas according to Indian system of numeration. First question in that exercise 1.1. There are 6 questions. A, B, C, D, E. Same question, but you have to write the number names of the following and insert commas according to the international system. Okay. First we have written in Indian system, according to Indian system. Second question want you according to international system. Write the answer according to international system. Okay. Are you okay? Yes. Let us stop here. See you. Let us see again. Thank you for watching our videos. You have to work hard instead of sleeping hard. Okay? You have to work hard. You have enough time to study. So please utilize each and every second. Time is precious. Practice is important in our mathematics. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.